Hi everyone, my name is Ka, and for this final project I've done an evaluation on Eataly.com information architecture and proposed some changes on how to improve the site structure as well as created prototypes for these changes. So about Eataly, it's a marketplace system that compromises a variety of restaurants, food, beverage, bakery, retail items. It also has an online platform that offers a curated and high-quality selections of Italian products of food, drinks, beverage, vegetables, beauty and home, etc. It also provides user with Italian recipes, stories, and cooking guides and allows user to explore local cooking classes and events. So the goal of this evaluation and redesign is to determine if the navigation, content organizations, and labeling system is intuitive and help users experience smooth flow of browsing, to improve the structure of the website as well as searchability and findability, to simplify the way users navigate around the website and reduce time to get to the right information, and to rearrange current content to be more understandable. From the project goal, I came up with a project statement, which is the current website posed some navigational problems and content organizations issues that need to be addressed, so that users will be able to enjoy browsing and searching for specific products. Eataly.com has great business potential, and with the improvement of information architecture, users will be able to experience less time-consuming tasks to find products and get to where they want. Great site structure creates clear path for website visitor, which make the site easier to navigate. It also gives the business a competitive advantage with more organized structure and content. And that way, a business can spend less time create instruction or explanation for users on how to navigate and use the website. After inspecting the site, there are several issues that are identified. The main navigation is not intuitive, with too many categories on menu bar, which can cause users to struggle to figure out where to go or click. There are also two navigation bar, the main one in the center and another one on the top right, which can be confusing. The home page contains a lot of information, which is time consuming to browse and search if user wants to look for specific items. Linguistic is also another issue of Eataly. On the product page, when users click on sort by, the language of these options tend to be hard to understand with, again, too many choices to choose from. And then the labeling system of Eataly overall is pretty vague and misleading. Beauty and home category does not represent well the products. It does not have any beauty products, but it also includes apparel and books. Redundant, unnecessary categories. Shop online category leads to same homepage. Gift cards and gifts categories sound very similar and may cause confusion. There's no way user can find a recipe unless they click on magazine categories. The page layout and structure is overwhelming. There's too much going on the top of the home page, like login, register, search, shopping bag, too many call to actions, and search bar is not entirely functional. It does not yield expected results when users want to look for specific products. And here are the prototype of the home page that I have created to improve the site structure of Eataly. I grouped all the categories of product under main shop, where users know right away that this is where they can click on to buy products. I tried to simplify the main navigation so that user will have an easy time understand and navigate around. Stores is where user can find all Eataly locations. I also clear out the old design on the top of the homepage to only show the most important content and information needed, like search bar, login registration, and shopping cart. I make another attempt to create a recipe page where user can select recipe they want to according to milk type. The current Eataly website does not offer the selection because the way these recipe content hidden in the magazine categories along with other options. So this will help save user tons of time because they don't have to search around. They know exactly where to go and click. And the last prototype I made was the product page where I simplified the language and removed unnecessary options from the drop-down menu to avoid overwhelming feeling for users when they browse. Overall, I did not make drastic change for this page, but tried to create clean layout to help users scan products easier and improve searchability. So overall, Eataly information organization and labeling system posed some issues on navigation structure that needed to be addressed. Users struggle and get frustrated to navigate around. Browsing and searching experience are not intuitive. It is time consuming to do tasks to get to where users need. Improvement on information architecture and content organization will help increase site visit and provide a smooth flow of browsing for users. For next step, I would like to conduct user research, specifically contextual inquiries to get a sense of how users feel about the current website, perform usability testing to get feedback on site navigation, content structure, language and labeling system, perform closed cart sort of new categories to understand what users expect from the website, and finally design new layout and for Eataly.com. And I would like to do more testing for each level of each redesign site. Thank you.